Gone short. Got all of it. Just about gets all of it. Flies it all the way for a 6.
Much needed for the Islamabad United team here. Losing a few wickets in the last few overs. Nawaz here. He seeks the length so early, doesn't he, here? Jamieson going short. Cross-seam delivery. Just not quite the right line. He's looking for that front shoulder. He's gone back shoulder. Allows him to free his arms. Almost hit that off the front foot, and he hits that all the way. A little surprise on Jamieson's face there.
So the patterns are repeating themselves, and not for the right reasons. That might be for the right reasons. That is some crack. Mohammad Nawaz, well, he said, let me show you how it's done.
Yeah, amazing sound off the bat. You knew exactly where the ball was going once it hit the middle of the bat. Sailed away for 6. He's playing a good little knock. He's on 23 of 22. He's given himself a chance. He hit a 6 earlier also, but he's just waiting for the ball to be in his zone.
That's decided. That's decided for 6. Yeah, playing a little bit of a gem here, Mohammad Nawaz.
Yeah, every time you ball full at him, he has been very severe. That was a true half volley. Just saw the length and swung his bat. The ball's gone soft. It's not doing much off the seam. So you have to be smarter as a bowler. Use those variations.
Smart. Good stuff from Mohammad Nawaz. Gets in that big gap on the offside and picks up 2 after the big 6.
In the air, is it clearing the boundary? Is it clearing the boundary? Yes, he has. What a hit. He is playing a gem of an inning.
Now the crunch of that bat and that swing from Mohammad Nawaz. Animated chat. I think he knows what he's doing, Heather. You don't have to worry. You don't have to worry about Mohammad Nawaz. He's handling this quite well. Yeah, 4 6s. Long on mid-wicket, deep backward square. It doesn't matter where you put them. It doesn't matter, because the way Mohammad Nawaz is striking the ball, it is brilliant to watch. He's got 5 of them tonight.
What a shot. The timing. Watch that again. He's so still. Strong wrists. Look how far they went. 82 meters. Didn't have to do much. Jamieson just provided the ball where he wanted.
Oh, brilliant. This is really smart, really effective from Mohammad Nawaz. And he is playing a real gem tonight. He's raced to 49, brings up the 150. And this is game on, folks.
Magnificent batting, but poor bowling, I would say. 2 deliveries in the zone. This was outside the off stump, especially when you have mid-off fielder inside the circle.
That's taken. Also quietly, also calmly. Gets the glove on the way to the keeper. But what an outstanding knock in the context of the game. With his team at 91 for 6. He's got a quick fire 49 and he can be very happy with his effort. And Mohammad Nawaz might have just given them enough.
How good was that grab? Oh, he had to really stretch high to grab that. Hasibullah, a young wicketkeeper, a very talented batter, left-hander batsman, doing a job for his team. But magnificent knock comes to an end. Nawaz gone for 49 is 156 for 8.